In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoom account. This can be done by heading over to zoom.com. Once you're there, look for that big sign-in button and then enter your login credentials. Give it just a moment and you'll be all set to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you want to navigate to your account settings. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button that says My Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is the central hub for managing your Zoom settings, including your billing information. Once you're on the My Account page, it's time to find your billing details. At this point, look again at the top right of the page. You should see your profile icon. It might be a friendly little avatar or your initials. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Plans and Billing. This will direct you to the area of your account that deals specifically with your subscription and payment information. Now we're getting closer. After clicking on Plans and Billing, keep an eye out for a section labeled Billing Management. You'll want to switch to this tab to manage your payment methods. It's usually easy to find, right there in the menu options. Once you're in the Billing Management section, locate the area where it lists your payment methods. This is where all your saved cards will be displayed. Now let's say you want to remove a specific payment method. Perhaps it's an old credit card you no longer use. In this section, look for the card you want to delete. Next to it, you'll see three little dots. That's your magic button. Click on those three dots and a small menu will pop up. Here, you'll find the option that says Remove Payment Method. Go ahead and click that and you might see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove this payment method. This is just to double check that you're making the right choice. If you're sure, click on Remove to finalize the process. And just like that, you've successfully removed a payment method from your Zoom account. It's a straightforward process, and it can help you keep your billing information up to date without any clutter from cards you no longer use. If at any point you need to add a new payment method or manage your billing settings further, you can always return to the same sections we just covered. It's all about keeping things organized. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this step-by-step guide has been useful for you. Remember, managing your accounts can be a breeze with just a bit of guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.